Hi guys, this is a cheap Apple Earpod clone. Let's open it up. It's not working and give it a shot. Okay, so we have battery. Looks a little chunky and swollen. I don't know, weird format. I don't know how much capacity is in here, but looks pretty small. And based on the performance of these things, they don't last very long because I've used them before and you get maybe an hour, not even half an hour out of this thing, which is a shame. Let's open up the other end. We'll get this guy off here. Okay, there's a charging port and there's a board in here now. There's obviously wires. Here we go. And we're gonna have to break some of these connections here because this board will not come out otherwise. So how far can we get? Well, let's rip this off. Sorry, this is sacrificial. We don't need it. And there's a speaker. Goodbye. And out we go. Okay. That's the charge port. Here's the board. Let's get a close up here. Clock chip. A whole bunch of caps. And let's flip it around here. That's just battery plus minus terminals and the speaker plus minus. The other side, we have a button. We have what looks like a microphone, that little thing there. And we have JL API, so that's the Bluetooth, receiver. That's the antenna. You see this thing here looks like an antenna. Some more caps, surface mounted. This is API 7477-404 by JL. That's got everything in it. That's the Bluetooth receiver, controls the microphone, the buttons, the charging, everything. It looks like it's all in that one chip. And that must be the clock for it. And there you have it. That's it. Let's just put everything back down and zoom out. So, a quick look at the inside of a very cheap Apple Earpod clone. And that's the little speaker. And two, a test of our setup here. Let's just get the phone out of the case. Basically, I had it mounted on this thing. There's the ring light, and there's it clamped to the table, and there's our components. So hopefully we'll do more videos like this. Nice illumination, good quality lighting, and nice good close-up views. Thanks again for watching. Catch you next time.